Hi, I'm Justin Conway. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to merge two files in Photoshop and create a blend of those two photos so that the two photos sort of seem like part of the same visual representation together in a appealing way. The way to do that is first import your files into Photoshop and get them on the same page. So decide what size page you want this photo to be and bring the two files in. And then size them accordingly. If you, take a look at the example that I have here. There's a picture of me on graduation day and a picture of of Washington Square Park in the background. I want the top layer, which is going to be the picture of me here, to actually be the top layer, and then the second photo is going to be directly underneath it. Then you're going to select the top layer, add a layering mask to it. Okay, so now you're actually editing the mask of the layer. Go over to your gradient tool, select black and white, and select OK. And then you're going to select an area towards the bottom and drag it through the second picture. And you got to kind of feel this out. As you can see, that one we're gonna reverse this. You got to feel it out and see where you're comfortable with that line. See, right now the second picture, the one on the bottom, is showing through pretty heavily around this area, around my knee area. So I'm going to undo that and try again. Oh, actually that's where the stairs are, so it's kind of good. So you can play around with this a little bit, but then you start to make the layer transparent and they blend together quite nicely using this technique. There you go, that looks a little bit better. From here, what you might want to do is combine the two layers so that they're actually one picture. So you're going to select one layer, hold down Shift, select the second layer, then hit Command E, and that now made this just one single layer. From this point, if you'd like to, you can change the coloring of the different pictures. Normally when you take two different pictures, especially if they were taken in two different locations, the coloring can be quite different, especially if there's different lighting and things like that. So this is a useful tool for that. You'll hit Command U to unsaturate your photo. Click OK. Let's see. As long as this is selected here, Command U. And we're going to hit Colorize. And now you can select a hue, adjust the saturation, the lightness and the darkness, and change the overall coloring of your document, of your picture. And if you wanted to, you can make it like a black and white photo, or sort of this sepia look, which is pretty cool for sort of a nostalgic look. So that's basically how to blend two photos in Photoshop. My name's Justin Conway. I hope that helped.